Morning students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start with the chapter adjectives. Adjectives tells us about the quality of something. It adds to the meaning of the nouns by describing their quantity, quality, number. There are six kinds of adjectives. Number one is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality tells us about the quality of the noun. What kind of noun it is. वो बताता है हमें किस तरह की क्वालिटी है नाउन की. ठीक है. इट डिस्क्राइब इट्स ट्रेड. वो किस तरह का है. इट what kind of noun is it. For example, she is wearing pink dress. Here pink is adjective. My mom is very smart. Smart is adjective. I have woolen socks. The woolen is adjective. Nina has a sweet voice. The sweet is adjective of quality. So these are all adjective of qualities. It expresses color, shape, size, texture, condition, material, quality, nationality. Now the second kind of adjective is adjective of quantity. It indicates the amount and the number of the things or the person. मात्रा बताता है कि वो कितने मात्रा है, कितनी या कितने अमाउंट है या कितने नंबर हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सम शुगर, कुछ शुगर, मैनी बॉक्सेस, बहुत सारे बॉक्सेस, इनफ फूड, बथेरा खाना, लिटिल नॉलेज, थोड़ी सी नॉलेज, अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, बहुत सारे लोग, all days, सारे दिन. Now third kind of adjective is numeral adjectives. It describes the number or the order of the noun. Now it has been divided into three parts. One is definite numerals. It denotes an exact number or the order of noun. It has two parts, cardinal and ordinal. Cardinals are 1, 4, 50, etc. all the numbers, and the ordinals are first, second, third, fifth, etc. Now the second part is indefinite numerals. They give a general idea. We don't have the particular number of it. It gives the general idea of the amount. For example, few, several, any, many, some. Now third kind is distributive numerals. It refers to the individual nouns within the whole amount, like each, every, either, neither, etc. Now the fourth kind of demonstrative adjective is demonstrative adjective. It points to the exact noun we wish to refer. For example, this, that, these, those. This refers to the things which are near to us and which are singular, and that are the things which are far away but they are singular. And these refers to the near but they are singular, and those which are far away and they are plural. Now fifth kind is interrogative adjectives. The words which start with the sentence which starts with WH adjectives, we use it to ask the questions, are interrogative adjectives. For example, whose notebook is this? In this, whose is interrogative. Which ice cream flavor do you like? Which is interrogative. What is your name? Where do you live? All these are WH words and we are asking the question, so these becomes interrogative. So sixth is possessive adjectives. It shows the possession or ownership of the noun. हमें अब ownership दिखाता है, उसका मालिक कौन है वो दिखाता है. जैसे my, your, his, her, its, our, their. This is my car. So my is possessive adjective. Do your work. Your. He has completed his assignment. So this becomes possessive adjective. We must do our duty. Our is adjective. Possessive adjective. So alright children, now on the basis of this, solve the exercise of the book.